pilots, welcome back to my channel. This is Adi from FFCA in the Republic of Korea. Today, I'm going to unboxing the FMS Beaver, the DHC-2, the Havilland company, 2000 millimeter wingspan with the water float system. Okay, let's open. Packing is very simple and well wrapped. Wing pipe here, main wing pipe, and horizon stabilizer piper. And the propeller is here. It is a two-brain propeller. And the propeller size is 15 by 9, and big wings, main wings here. Two main wings with wing struts. Oh, it's a little thin. And spinner and some bolts and some accessories made by plastic, and vertical stabilizer here. And horizon stabilizer. And fuselage without the main landing gear. And how can I open the? Oh, it's here. This is main landing gear, and nothing anymore. Alright, that's all. It's a very simple stops for the assembly. The airplane is very simple and compact. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stops. Alright pilots, until here the unboxing video for the FMS 2000 millimeters Havilland Beaver. The full set is the floating systems. And thanks for watching and have a nice day.